In this video, you're going to learn how to find your saved videos on YouTube. So first things first, let's find a video to save. Let's say we're trying to get grass to grow in our yard. We like this video here. On mobile, you'll just tap the three dots under the video and you'll want to go to Save to Watch Later. Or if you have a specific playlist that you want to save it to, like a yard playlist or whatever you're wanting to watch, go to Save to Playlist. Then you go to Save to Watch Later or the playlist. And now what you want to do to find your saved videos is you want to tap on the icon at the bottom of your screen there where it says your channel, it says you. And then once doing that, it'll take you to your account page here and your playlist will be at the very top. And you'll now see a playlist there that says Watch Later. You may have to scroll left to right to find it, or if you want, you can go to View All until you find the one that says Watch Later. A little bit of a pro tip here, if you go to the Sort By at the very top, hit the drop-down menu and sort by recent activity. If you've just recently saved something to the Watch Later playlist, that'll be at the top there, and then you go to the playlist, and here will be a list of all of the videos that you've saved. Now, if it's a specific playlist, then you just go to your playlist, find that one playlist, go into it, and find the videos that you've saved. But again, I would just go to Save to Watch Later, makes it very easy. And then if you're on a desktop computer, you just go to the video, you'll see those three dots again under the video, go to Save or the bookmark icon, and then just choose the playlist you want to save it to. So for this, it'll be Watch Later. And then once you've done that, over here on the desktop site, you should see three lines here that if you click them will bring up the sidebar. You should actually see an option here under the U column that says Watch Later. Click on that. That'll take you directly to your Watch Later playlist. That's it. That's how you do it. Have any questions, put them down below. There'll be a FAQ in the pinned comment if you're having problems, and we'll see you guys in the next video.